Hello guys, I've been cooking this for my family for the last 2 days and they really loved it. So I decided to share the recipe with you guys. Hope you love it too. So I start with boiling the macaroni. After boiling the macaroni, so here are our ingredients. There's coriander, onions, tomatoes, milk, boiled macaroni, eggs, 3 eggs, and this boiled beef and cooking oil. This is boiled beef, eggs and milk, boiled macaroni again. So we add vegetable oil in our pan. Then we add our macaroni. We start with our macaroni. Please follow it step by step. Then we add salts. We start a little bit. Then we add onion. We evenly distribute the onion on all ends, also at the middle. Then we add our coriander. We add coriander. Make sure it's evenly. Then we add tomato. Separately, we beat our eggs, 3 eggs. Add milk. We mix it. We mix gently using a fork. We add our boiled meat also. I preferred beef. Then salt to taste. Then we add black pepper for seasoning. Then we add the egg and milk that we had mixed. I decided to add a little more milk. This is how it looks like. I decided to cover it using one of my plates because I don't have a lid, a lid. So after that, this is how it looks like. It's so yummy. I hope you try this recipe. There it is. Then we cut it and served it. This is how it's served. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below.